Eiffel Tower, written by Curtis Thomas. A famous structure. The Eiffel Tower is a structure that reaches up to the sky. The tower is famous. People around the world know about it. Also, 7 million people visit the tower each year. The Eiffel Tower height, tower 300 meters, 984 feet, antenna 24 meters, 79 feet, total height 324 meters, 1063 feet, weight 10,100 metric tons, 11,133 tons. Iron structure weight 700 metric tons, 8,046 tons. Completed in 1989. Built for the 1889 World's Fair. 108 story with 3 platforms, 57 meters, 187 feet, 115 meters, 377 feet, and 276 meters, 906 feet above the ground. Over 250 million people have visited. The most visited monument in the world that people pay to see. Base measures 100 meters, 328 feet on each side. High and mighty, the Eiffel Tower is made of 4 long beams of metal. At the bottom, the beams are the 4 legs of the tower. The beams curve up and meet at the top. When the Eiffel Tower was built, it was the tallest structure in the world. City on the Seine. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, which is in the capital of France. The tower is much taller than other structures in Paris. It is at one end of a large park. The Seine River flows next to the tower. Many museums, gardens, and ponds are nearby. A tower of strength. Gustave Eiffel and 3 other men worked together on the idea for the Eiffel Tower. A contest was held to get ideas for the special structure for the 1889 World's Fair. The men won the contest. It took many workers about 2 years to build the tower. The Eiffel Tower was named for Gustave Eiffel. He built hundreds of metal structures before he built the tower. The Eiffel Tower was built out of more than 18,000 pieces of iron. Iron is a type of metal. Mr. Eiffel wanted to prove that metal is as strong as stone. First, stone and cement were placed in the ground. Next, the small pieces of iron were put together to make the large beams. Then workers put the beams on top of the stone and cement. The tower grew taller and taller. In July 1888, the second floor of the tower had been built left. In November, the tower was almost finished. Right. Here to stay. Long ago, structures was not as tall as they are today. Many people thought Mr. Eiffel could not build such a tall tower. Other people thought the tower would be ugly. When the Eiffel Tower was finished, it was beautiful. Mr. Eiffel wanted to make the tower useful to people so it would stay standing for many years. He put a science lab in the tower. Many people came to use the lab. Later, people used the tower to send radio and TV signals. The first French radio station with news and music began in 1921. It sent signals from the tower. Visiting the tower, take a ride in a glass elevator to the top of the Eiffel Towers. The city of Paris looks amazing from that height. The second floor has shops, restaurants, and displays about how the tower was built. The first floor has see-through floor. There is also ice skating every winter. The Eiffel Tower doesn't always look the same. Workers paint it every 7 years, and sometimes the color changes. The tower has been dark red, dark yellow, and brown at different times. It's always huge and amazing. Lighting up the sky. In 2004, the Eiffel Tower lights were red for the Chinese New Year. In 2006, the lights were blue for another holiday. They were green and gold for a big sport contest in 2007. The tower had a special show of light and fireworks to welcome the year 2000. Something fun is always happening at the tower.